must be mine now. You're crushing your creeping from the very start. You cast me or complete me till death do us part. First I see me, look how far it comes. Why can't you see? Why can't you see? We are the two and one. You are my love. You are my
Was love not enough? Are you happy? something. It's hard to see sometimes the numbers.
Yeah.
You know, until you get like right up on them.
Yeah.
And or they slow down.
How fast does that thing go?
110 miles per hour.
Jeez. That's great.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ripped my GoPro thing a little bit. It hit hard in the front. Still recording.
Yeah. 77722. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Ooh. Ah. Ah. I spent so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. Yeah. Black rims, gold hubs, and the carbon pipes. Damn. Got my bike looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. Ooh. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call that shit a Western Pike. When I Instagram it, yeah, I'm getting hella likes. Yeah. Spend more money on my bike than you gon' make it till you die. You probably gonna tell your friends your bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's 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 bike is tight as mine. Roll up to the track one more time now. Hop up in the Ridgie, pull the bike out. 18 on 18 new whips is what I like. On my Mike Alessi shit, but lead a hype. Just wait till I pull up and you see my bike. You gon' see the double trouble carbon PC pipes. You gon' be like, damn, Mitch, what's the price? I'ma tell you, fucking swipe, you need a pipe. Let's go. You ain't gonna come close to what I got on my bike. I got unobtainium, this all the stuff you can't buy. You can look, but you just can't touch. You can see my factory recluse clutch. You a rook and you don't know much. I could tell when you first pulled up, just by the way that you unloaded out your truck. You ain't bring a stand, that's beginner 101. When you see the 7 dudes, you add it up. Yeah, I'm Mr. Lit Kid and I know what's up. Don't come to the track if you ain't got a setup. I don't mess around, I'm about the checks and the envelopes. Every time I show up to the track, yeah, I'm pro. You gon' wonder why, you gon' wonder why though. I'ma sound so damn fly, I get paid by fly. Making money cause I fly, and my bike so fly. Why you think I keep it decked, why you think I keep it right? I'ma ride till I die, I'ma ride till I die. I spend so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call that shit a Western Pike. When I Instagram it, yeah, I'm getting hella likes. Spend more money on my bike than you gon' make until you die. You probably gonna tell your friends your bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's 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 bike is tight as mine.
I can be nice, but don't test me. I can get wicked, I get wicked, wicked, I get wicked. There's no escaping it, wicked. You wanna kick it, watch me get wicked. Step up and get it, cause I get wicked. Came to whip this spot up, stick to clones cause the devil wears Prada. We want peace but we can make this ratty. Stop, we don't wanna hurt nobody. You can't hang me cause my nature's nice, and my heart's for the people of the world tonight. If you got a problem with it, take it up with life, cause if you try to push me, it ain't gonna be nice. I get wicked, wicked, I get wicked. There's no escaping it, wicked. You wanna kick it, watch me get wicked. Step up and get it, cause I get I am not afraid of this mountain in my way. You can push me to my knees, I believe. And I am now awake, uncontrolled and not ashamed. When it rushes over me, I feel free. P.S. Don't play me like a 3DS. These cats can't see us, they're checking the wrong mirrors. Cavaliers, don't mistake kindness for weakness. They never wanted to hear us,